Alright, so here is the Belkin N Plus wireless USB adapter from Dell. It was delivered the next day, actually. Dell's pretty amazing at this delivery stuff. Somehow they can afford to deliver the next day. This is the N Plus, which is ideal for file sharing, streaming, high definition video, online gaming, and voice over IP calls. Right, regular price was $79 or $70 or something like that, and was on sale for, I believe, $20 at Dell. And this is the box. Has whatever it shows here, greater reach and whatnot. Now I'm just gonna open up the box and show you what comes inside just quickly. And this is actually on the road while I just picked it up right now. Alright, so we opened it up. We got a CD with the software for the N Plus adapter. We got the adapter itself and the base. Yeah, here's the base. You just hook it up to your laptop. A little extension and the actual adapter, which, my God, is it wedged in there or what? Alright, pretty big. Actually, it's gigantic. I thought it was going to be a small adapter, but wow. I just popped it out. It's pretty big. Doesn't seem to have a cap. I guess you plug it in or you use the base. And yeah, this is the adapter from Belkin, the N Plus adapter. And there's a little sheet with manual on how to install it. Wow, one single sheet. It's not that hard to do these things anyhow. It goes at, let's see, what do we have? Probably 300 megabits per second. And this is what it looks like. Alright, thanks for watching. This is eBay Depot with another product for you.